Hello and welcome to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Series, where we will talk about how you can create an Amazon affiliate website using WordPress, how you can do a category or a niche research, and how you can promote that product on your website, and how you can actually create an extra income source using Amazon affiliate marketing. So if that sounds interesting and you also want to add some extra source of income in your portfolio, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So if you love creating content and you want to earn some extra cash out of it, then promoting Amazon products and earn commission out of it could be a best business model online. So if you love to create content, then you can easily monetize that by creating an Amazon affiliate website, and with that you will be able to earn money by promoting someone else's product of Amazon. So the question is, what exactly is this Amazon affiliate marketing? So first, let's understand what is affiliate marketing, and then we will talk about online or Amazon affiliate marketing. So if we talk about a real life experience or a real life example, you or maybe your parent must have bought any insurance policy. And do you know that most of the time, the guy who sold that insurance policy to you or your parents is not actually the employee of that insurance company. They are the affiliates of that company. They sell the insurance policies to people, and that's how affiliate marketing works. So there is a product in the market which is made by a company, and if you or anyone else help that company sell that product by any mean, then if that company pays you a commission, that is actually called affiliate marketing. You are not on the payroll of the company. You are not selling your own product. You are actually helping a company getting sales of their product without charging them anything but the commission. And that's exactly how online affiliate marketing works. So for Amazon website, we know that there are various sellers listing their products online from anywhere in the country. And if you like any product or any category of product and you help that product get sold by talking about it, maybe in form of a website blog, maybe in form of an e-commerce site, or maybe in form of a YouTube video, or by any authorized means, if you are helping that product getting sales, and if people are buying that product using your link, then Amazon will pay you commission for that sale. And the best part about Amazon affiliate marketing is, if you are promoting a product A and people go to the Amazon website using your link, but if they don't buy that product A, but they buy anything else on Amazon website in the next 24 hours, you will get the commission. So to summarize all this Amazon affiliate marketing, you are acting as an agent who is promoting a product on Amazon, and once that product gets sold, you got the commission from Amazon. And how you do that promotion of that product? You can create an Amazon affiliate website on WordPress, you can create your YouTube channel, or maybe you can use any social media platform. And as mentioned in the beginning, if you love creating content, then creating an Amazon affiliate website could be the best business model for you. So this is the first episode in this series of Amazon affiliate marketing. In the next few episodes of this series, we will learn about how we can create this Amazon affiliate marketing and what are the steps involved to create a successful Amazon affiliate website. So stay tuned for the next episode. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.